guys, what's up to this video channel? I'm going to be popping my dog's neck today, so let's go. I'm going to pop my dog's neck today. There she is. She's so cute. Let's get this out of the way. Now we can pop your neck. I'm going to pause the video right here, and time to pop her neck. Okay? Okay guys, I'm back, and time to pop her neck. Let me try again. Bye guys. Okay guys. I'm going to pop her neck now. Are you okay? Okay. So, here we go.
All you gotta do is give me the key to that green car right there. Yeah. No, that's all you gotta do. You want it? Yeah. Oh, perfect. All right, here. Now, if Lady Gaga asks, I just had to move it, okay?
Okay, let me pop her neck again.
Okay, you're a great guy. Yeah. This is such a nice car, dude. What? What? Oh, listen. That's my car. No. Oh. Sorry. I'm just moving it. That's all.
Don't be sorry. You're supposed to. Here we go. That's all I got today, guys. Sorry, bye.